I'm finna teach you how to go from this, an overgrown hairline, to a fresh, crispy line. All natural, no spray. I can really make nothing to something. So first I look at the hairline and I use something called the T-zone, which is you looking at the eyebrows and the hairline. So I find where I should put my vertical bar and I go punch that in. And this video gonna be all raw. I'm not doing no cuts. So you see right here, I line up the vertical bar with where it is on the eyebrow and I go to the other side and do the same thing. After I punch that in, I take a step back, make sure they're in the same place, and now I start the C-cups. When I do the C-cups, I start at the top part of the curve, and I punch the beginning of it in. And I go to the side where I want it to end at. Make that second line and connect it. Make sure you're curving it because you want it to be curved. You don't want it to be like no straight slanted line or anything. You want it to have a nice curve. Then I turn them, and I hit that front part again, make sure everything's perfect. That front part of the C-cup is supposed to be parallel to the line. I know I haven't put the line in yet, but you're gonna see when I do. Then I go back, hit the vertical bar, and clean everything up. Now take a step back, look at the whole hairline, make sure you look in the mirror. Also, I'll just be looking in the mirror to make sure the glass is still recording. Come over here, I hit this line a little more. I feel like it wasn't good enough. And then I'm gonna start the C-cup over here and do the same thing. Just like using the eyebrows for the vertical bars, I make sure the C-cups are aligned by going straight across. Also, sometimes I'll pick up my comb and I'll make sure it's a straight line across. I do this because to have a good line, you have to have a symmetrical line. If your line is symmetrical, it's gonna look off. So make sure you do this every cut. C-cups all line. If not, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna tap it, hit it a little bit. Also, I just wanna straighten up the lines and stuff. Always look in that mirror. When I do the front hairline, I always start in the middle and I work my way to one side and then I go to the other side and match. Everybody that I cut would tell you I don't do pushbacks, but this one's much needed because it's overgrown, so it isn't a pushback. This is just hair that's not supposed to be there. But like I said, since I don't like doing pushbacks, I am sloping it down just a little bit in the corners. While I usually slope it up to give it that straight line effect. For his hairline, every hairline is different, so you just gotta get used to doing different things for different hairlines to make it look straight. But it ain't too much more for me to say, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch the video, play some music, and if I gotta say something, I'll tap back in.
Jay, you made this?
When you're doing the lineup, you want to always move and angle the head because you have to see the hairline at different angles to make sure that it's straight. So right here, I noticed I was sloping down on the right side a little too much. So later you're gonna see me come back and clean that up at the end. This is where I'm going back, I'm hitting everything, make sure everything's perfect, straight, everything lines up. Out of everything in the cut, you cannot rush the lineup. It's the most important part. You want to make this perfect, take your time. If you're rushing, you're probably gonna mess up and it's gonna take even longer or look bad. you see I just finished up with the cut. I'm looking in the mirror, make sure everything look good. Once everything look
Damn,
good,
Jay,
get them out
you
the
made
chair.
this?
But this how you turn nothing into something. This all natural. Here goes with the black spray. If you want a video of how to do black spray, let me know down below. Love, cash out.